Parker, what are you doing? Are you in your toy box?
I like it. I like it.
They didn't have very many black ones.
Uh-oh, we're listening again. Our feet are slipping.
Come on, Grandma. Other Grandma, grab.
You ready to get out?
Listen, thank you.
Yeah.
That's funny. Yep, the old cardboard box trick.
Okay.
Very good.
Very nice.
Very. Want to sit right here? Can you sit?
No. Oh, well. Okay.
How about you?
Good job, Parker. Parker. Parker.
What do you think?
Parker.
What do you think? Oh, you don't have the camera.
No, I'll get him to you.
Good job.